guys, welcome back. So I had a bit of a week last week. I really had a week. The Wednesday video that I tried to do completely went and it got deleted by accident, and Saturday's video just had technical difficulties. YouTube was being really silly and, well, I was late putting my video out, so I do apologise for that, but you know, technical difficulties do happen and it's nothing that I can control. So I did try and update some people on what was happening, but it got all on top of me. So I do apologise if you got loads of notifications or no notifications for that video, but you know, I finally got it downloaded, and if you didn't see it, I will put a tab at the top so you can go and see it after this video if you want to. But today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and a little bit easier on me personally. It's just going to be for a little bit of fun because a little while ago, I'm sorry for the rustle in there. A little while ago, I saw quite a lot of people do these. The last one I saw was Karen from the Dragon's Cave do them, and she did absolutely beautiful ones, and I fell in love with them really. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I am going to do them a bit differently, but not so differently if you can grasp my meaning. So and nobody knows what these are, what do you call them? Pocket hugs, and they're not very deep, so I think I might do these in UV resin today. I've been wanting to put some stickers in them. I got these from Happy Mail. Janet and Chris from the Crafty Rat got me those. They're absolutely adorable. They've got a load of Highland cows on them, and I've got these ones as well. I just want to try different sorts of things. I've also got, let me just grab them. I've cut one out already, but I've also got these which are almost like a transparent type paper. Now I'm not sure what the resin's going to do with that, so that's going to be interesting. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop these in here, just like so. I might put some UV resin in first and then put these in, just so it's got a bit of, well, I'm hoping I catch it when it's tacky, so that I can just stick them down. And then I'm going to put like, well, with these ones, I'm going to probably do those ones in like just a white type of colour, because these aren't transparent. These are they actually have the white background. So yeah, those ones I think I'm going to do white, but these types of ones I can go to town with. And I think the Highland cow ones are DTF stickers. Let me just get them out and I'll see. So yeah, to me they do look like DTF stickers though, so I'm not sure how I'm going to put those down, because normally with DTF stickers I just place them down on the project after it's finished. So I'm not sure actually if I'm going to be using these today. I might use those in a different project. I suppose it depends which way I do them. If I do them upside down or, you know, back to front. I'm not sure yet. I might try doing them back to front and see how that works. So I might do a couple of different ones. Because we've got like, what? 3, 6, we've got 9 hearts to play with, so I might do these ones with the Highland cows in them, and these ones with these stickers in them, and these ones with these transparent paper bits in them. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So just let me get gloved up. I will be doing a voiceover on these because I tend to concentrate a lot when I'm doing this sort of work. So yeah, I will do a voiceover and tell you what I'm doing, and yeah, let's get started guys. I'll be right back. So I did start with the Highland cow ones. In hindsight, I don't think I would have used these in this particular mould unless I did the pocket hugs first in like UV resin, and then I put the Highland cow on top of it after I demoulded it, and then just put a clear layer on top of it. You don't necessarily need to put a clear layer on DTF stickers. They do stick very well, and it's very, very hard to get them off. So yeah, I think next time I'm gonna just do what I usually do with DTF stickers. But I will admit, they are still very pretty, and I was still really happy with them. The other stickers didn't really go as planned. It didn't look nice. It didn't look nice at all. The stickers with the white backgrounds just didn't go very well with what I was trying to do. So I only did one of those in the end. But the transparent paper ones, I did like those, but they were a bit fiddly. One of them actually has a great big bubble right in the middle of it, right at the back of the transparent paper. So yeah, it still is pretty, but it just was very, very fiddly, and I think next time I'm just gonna put less UV resin on that, and I'm gonna cure it with just a little bit of UV resin in first, get it stuck, and then after that I'll just go over it with a bit more UV resin after it's stuck, just because it ended up making a right mess. I am a messy crafter anyway, so as you can see from my desk, so mess doesn't really bother me, and in my opinion, when you've got mess, it means, you know, you're trying to create something really cool, and, you know, it's from the heart, you know? Not to say that I'm digging myself a hole here, aren't I? Not saying that non-messy artists are any less doing things from the heart, but for me, if I am a messy crafter, I'll just stick with that, shall I? I'll just stick with that. I am a messy crafter. So I did a couple of colours for the Highland cows. I tried going with colours that matched what was in the picture. So one of them had a lot of blues and yellows and other things in it. The other two had more pinks and oranges in it. So I did try and stick with the colours that were in the pictures. And yeah, I don't think it turned out too bad, these ones. I think these ones were in my opinion anyway, my best ones out of the lot. So yeah, I just cured them a little bit with my torch, and then after I did that, I put them under the jewel lamp from Let's Resin for about 5 minutes or so. And then I stuck the DTF stickers onto those. Now, like I said, hindsight, I would have done this after I demolded the pocket hooks first. It was very hard to get the front side of the tape off, but I did manage it, and like I said, I think these ones were my best ones that I made out of the lot of them. But I will admit, the transparent ones aren't bad. The one that has the big bubble in it, I think would have looked really, really pretty if it didn't have that big bubble in it. But that's just my opinion. I mean, you guys can make your own opinions on that. I did do another white one with the transparent film again, and the background resin actually snuck past and nearly made the transparent piece, the transparent paper actually nearly disappeared. So I must have moved or accidentally demolded that one a little bit when I was putting the background on. But, you know, these were fun to make, and I Definitely will be making more at some point in the future, but I'm just going to be doing them a little differently next time. And hell, I might even watch Karen's video again and a few other videos again, just to get a bit of an idea, or even get some new ideas on what I can do with these in terms of what I can put in them and what I can maybe do, what other pretty things I can do with them. So yeah, I am just going to let you watch the rest of the process, and I will put you some music on, and I will see you for the pictures at the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, while I'm here, subscribers, thank you for subscribing. It really does mean a lot to me, and it really does help my channel grow and be seen by others, so thank you very much for that. If you haven't subscribed, maybe you would consider doing so. It is only a click away, and it doesn't cost you a thing. It just helps my channel get out there to other different people so that they can see my videos. But yeah, I will see you at the end of the video, and I hope you like what I make. So I'll see you then, guys. And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed it. I love these Highland cow ones. They are absolutely amazing, and I will probably be making more of them. And yeah, I really enjoyed making these, and I will make more. So I will see you next time on Saturday, and it will be with the Friendship Express again, and I think I'll be doing something a bit more Christmassy. So I'll see you then. Bye now.